Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to repair a League of Legends client. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to repair a League of Legends client? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so this was very prevalent when Garena was still associated with League of Legends. Now it is not. This rarely happens, but just in case, and you want to repair your League client, so what you want to do is open the Riot client. You have it installed in your PC. If you have League or Teamfight Tactics, click on League of Legends, right? And then you can see here, this is the your profile on the upper right corner. So what you want to do is go to settings. And then in settings, as you can see here, right client, League of Legends. So if you click on League of Legends, it says here, game text language, current patch line, install path, automatic updates, and then enable auto update, and then repair. As you can see here, I'm trying to click on it. I cannot because there's nothing wrong with my League of Legends client. But if there's something wrong, if there's an error or corrupted file, this will be available. You can click on this and then it'll patch itself up. It's going to repair itself and correct what's wrong. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.